Alright, picture this, you're on a quest. A quest to take control of your financial future. You've heard whispers of a platform, a sleek, modern tool that promises to simplify investing, to automate your wealth-building journey. The name? M1 Finance. It sounds powerful, almost premium. But a crucial question lingers, one that's likely echoing in your mind right now. How much does this power cost? That's exactly what we're diving deep into today. Forget the overly enthusiastic intros and the drawn-out explanations. We're cutting straight to the chase, dissecting the pricing structure of M1 Finance, and uncovering exactly what you can expect to pay, or more importantly, not pay, to leverage this popular investment platform. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of fees, or the lack thereof, let's quickly establish what M1 Finance actually is. For those unfamiliar, M1 Finance operates on a unique pie-based investing system. Think of it like creating your own personalized ETF. You select individual stocks, ETFs, or even pre-built expert portfolios, and allocate a percentage to each. M1 then automatically invests your money according to these allocations, rebalancing your portfolio as needed to maintain your target percentages. It's a blend of customization and automation, designed to make investing both accessible and hands-off. Beyond investing, M1 Finance has expanded its offerings to include checking accounts and even a line of credit. This makes it a potential central hub for managing various aspects of your financial life. And this expansion naturally leads us back to the core question, how much does it cost to access these features? Here's the headline you've been waiting for, M1 Finance's core investment platform is largely free. Yes, you read that right. There are no commission fees for trading stocks or ETFs. No account minimums to get started with a taxable brokerage account. No inactivity fees penalizing you for simply holding your investments. This commission-free structure is a significant draw for many investors, especially those who are just starting out or who trade frequently. In a world where brokerage fees used to be the norm, M1's approach is a breath of fresh air. Think about the implications of this. If you were using a traditional brokerage that charged, say, $5 per trade, and you made just a few trades a month, those fees could quickly eat into your returns, especially with smaller account balances. Over a year, these seemingly small charges can add up to a substantial amount. M1's commission-free model eliminates this friction, allowing more of your money to work for you. However, while the core investment offering is free, it's crucial to understand that M1 Finance does offer premium features and services that come with a cost. This is where the "how much does M1 Finance cost" question gets a bit more nuanced. Let's delve into these premium offerings, primarily centered around their subscription service called M1 Plus. M1 Plus is an optional paid tier that unlocks additional features and benefits for a monthly or annual fee. As of today, April 12, 2025, the cost of M1 Plus is typically around $10 per month or $125 per year. It's important to note that these prices can change, so always refer to M1 Finance's official website for the most up-to-date information. So, what do you get for this M1 Plus subscription? The key benefits often include lower borrow rates. M1 Finance offers a portfolio line of credit, allowing you to borrow against your investment holdings. M1 Plus subscribers typically receive a lower interest rate on these loans compared to standard users. This can be particularly attractive for those who need access to capital without selling their investments. For example, if the standard borrow rate is 9%, M1 Plus members might see a rate closer to 7.5% or even lower, potentially saving you a significant amount on interest payments, especially for larger loan amounts or longer repayment periods. Higher APY on checking accounts. M1 Finance offers an FDIC-insured checking account integrated with its investment platform. M1 Plus members often benefit from a higher annual percentage yield, APY, on their checking account balances. While the APY offered can fluctuate based on market conditions, M1 Plus typically provides a more competitive rate than the standard offering. For instance, a standard account might offer 0.5% APY, while M1 Plus could provide 1.5% or higher, allowing your uninvested cash to grow at a faster pace. Access to morning trade window. Standard M1 Finance users typically have one trading window per day. M1 Plus subscribers often gain access to an additional afternoon trading window. This can be beneficial for those who want more flexibility in when their trades are executed, especially in response to intraday market movements or for implementing more tactical trading strategies. Smart transfers. This feature, often exclusive to M1 Plus, allows for more sophisticated automation of fund transfers between your M1 accounts. You can set up rules based on specific balance thresholds, ensuring your money is efficiently allocated between your checking, investment, and borrow accounts. For example, you could set a rule to automatically transfer excess cash from your checking account to your investment portfolio once it exceeds a certain amount. Custodial accounts. M1 Plus often includes the ability to open custodial accounts, which are investment accounts for minors. This is a valuable feature for parents or guardians looking to start investing for their children's future. It's important to weigh these benefits against the cost of the M1 Plus subscription to determine if it's the right fit for your financial situation and investment goals. If you utilize the borrow feature frequently, maintain a significant cash balance in your checking account, or value the additional trading window and smart transfer capabilities, the M1 Plus subscription could potentially pay for itself through the savings and added convenience it provides. However, if you primarily use M1 for basic investing and don't need these advanced features, the free tier might be perfectly adequate. Beyond the M1 Plus subscription, are there any other potential costs to be aware of? While M1 Finance prides itself on its transparent and low-cost structure, it's always wise to be aware of less common fees that might apply in specific situations. These could include outbound account transfer fees. If you decide to transfer your entire account to another brokerage, M1 Finance might charge a fee for this outgoing transfer. This is a fairly standard practice across the brokerage industry to cover administrative costs. As of today, this fee is typically in the range of $75 to $100, but it's crucial to verify the current fee schedule on M1's website. Paper statement fees. While most communication and account statements are provided electronically for free, requesting paper statements might incur a small fee. This is increasingly common as brokerages encourage digital communication for efficiency and environmental reasons. Return check or ACH fees. If a deposit you make via check or electronic transfer, ACH, is returned due to insufficient funds or other issues, M1 Finance may charge a fee. These fees are typically in line with standard banking charges. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.